But our generation has tons of information available on our fingertips, and that makes us confused, not knowledgeable. So, what's your take on it, and how to avoid falling in that trap?
Yeah, everybody says that we have been bombarded with so much of information. Google is there. But to be very honest, they don't bombard on us. We go and pull that information.
Hmm.
If you just switch off the TV, Arnab Goswami is not going to shout at you.
Hmm.
If you uninstall Instagram, don't scroll the news feeds, you will not be confused with that clutter.
Correct.
Why open 10 tabs on Google Chrome? Why not only one? Read that entire article, then close it and open the new website. We have 10 tabs open at the same time on the laptop, and then you say there is so much of information on internet. You only opened all the tabs. Right? So one thing at a time. There's a wonderful book called One Thing. I insist all the viewers of this podcast to watch, to read that book. I've obviously covered it in Booklet app. One Thing. Do only one thing at a time. Forget rest of the world. If you are reading an article or a blog or reading a book, think that this is the only thing in the world as of now. You are very bad at multitasking. We think that multitasking is an asset. No, it's a blunder. We don't multitask. We switch tasks actually.
I agree.
And the penalty that we pay from switching from one task, जैसे एक किसी आप सपोज एक वेबसाइट चालू है, वहां पे हम कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं, कुछ आर्टिकल पढ़ रहे हैं या कुछ, और बाजू पे यूट्यूब का चालू है टैब, हाँ, तो वहां पे गाना खत्म हो गया सपोज, तो विल स्टॉप योर रीडिंग, गो टू दैट टैब, चेक करेंगे कौन सा अच्छा गाना है. सो द पेनल्टी दैट वी आर पेइंग from switching from task 1 to task 2 is so heavy. They say the author says that when you multitask, your productivity goes down to a 4th grade child. Wonderful example is suppose I switch on the fan for 1 hour and then switch off after 1 hour. Kitna bill aayega? Case number 1. Case number 2, I switch on it and every 5 minutes I switch off, switch on, switch on, switch off. ऐसा करता हूँ 1 घंटे के लिए. What will be the bill? कौन से केस में ज्यादा बिल आएगा?
I think
in the second case, right?
Second one,
yeah, because it will consume more power. That's exactly what happens when we multitask.
Okay.
It consumes lot of energy, and even if you work for the whole day, at the end of the day तुम बोलोगे, सोचोगे अरे मैंने किया क्या पूरा दिन? You don't get that sense of fulfillment, satisfaction, because it's all shallow. ऊपर का, the most of the time is about switching from one task to another. Instead of that, just block yourself as if there is nothing in the world. Maybe reading 4 pages. मेरा भी वही टारगेट कि मेरे को 4 पेजेस पढ़ने हैं, तो मैं भूल जाऊंगा, सब कुछ भूल जाऊंगा, and block 15 minutes for those 4 pages or whatever your reading speed is. I'll keep my mobile 2 rooms away from me on silent mode with all the notifications disabled. These are the tools I use. This is what I do. Simple things. Only you have to keep away the distractions. Focus is not about increasing your concentration, but keeping away from those attractive distractions. Ting, tung, tang, जो बजता रहता है ना अपने device पे. Yeah.
Correct.
So I don't agree that we have been bombarded with so much of information. Yeah. We only pull it. वो हमारे में वो मस्ती रहती है.
Yeah.